Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create automation rules in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Automation in the top menu. Now click Rules. Click Create to add a new automation rule. First, choose a trigger. A trigger is the event that starts your automation, such as a new contact subscribing, a form being submitted, a tag being added, or a product being purchased. Next, choose an action. For example, you can subscribe the contact to an email campaign, add a tag, enroll them in a course, send an email, or grant access to a membership site. You can also create multiple actions for a single trigger to fully automate your workflow. Review your automation settings to make sure everything is configured correctly, then click Save. To make sure your automation works, test it by completing the trigger yourself, such as submitting your opt-in form. If the action runs successfully, your automation rule is working correctly. That's it. You've successfully created automation rules in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.